In this scenario, we will move selected documents from one location to another within the document library. Note that this move process affects the document library source documents within a project only. It does not affect the published location visible to end users of the learning content, which is controlled via the project's Learning Library Management area, or the document's Learning Library Location setting. Start the steps in the relevant project's document library or folder location where the content is currently located. Click Open menu. Click Move. Note that content cannot be moved between projects, only within the current project. Click the To Destination menu drop-down to navigate to the new folder location within the project where you'd like the content to be moved to. Click the arrow to see and navigate to the appropriate destination location. Click to select General, which in this example is our destination folder location. Click to select one or more documents to move to the new location. Click to select a second item to move. Click the Move Items button, which will also display the number of objects selected to move. You have been successful in moving the two selected documents to their new document library location within the General folder.